Millions missed Bitcoin. And they'll regret missing Kaspa. It's faster, fairer, and almost nobody is paying attention yet. And stick around. Because the price prediction at the end of this video will surprise a lot of people. What if I told you there's a crypto project solving Bitcoin's biggest flaw? But without giving up decentralization? And what if it's still early enough to catch the wave, before it hits the headlines? Kaspa isn't a fork, and it isn't hype. It's the first Layer 1 blockchain built entirely on a block DAG architecture, not a traditional blockchain. That allows it to process blocks in parallel rather than sequentially. As of today, Kaspa confirms over 10 blocks per second. And it aims to reach 100 blocks per second, with real proof of work. This solves the core issue that's limited Bitcoin for 15 years, scalability without compromise. No pre-mine. No VC seed rounds. This was a fair launch, pure decentralization from day one. In a space dominated by manipulated tokenomics, Kaspa is the real deal. But tech alone isn't enough. Timing matters too. So where's Kaspa right now in its cycle? Here's the part most people don't know. It's been quietly outperforming in the background, and the charts just flipped bullish. In the last 30 days, Kaspa has bounced off strong support around 17 cents, and it's building higher lows. Trading volume is picking up across KuCoin and MEXC, and sentiment on Reddit and YouTube is flipping. But here's the catch, Kaspa is still sitting at a market cap under $3 billion. That's a fraction of projects with weaker fundamentals. Compare that to Bitcoin in 2013. That's roughly where we're at. The difference? This time, the tech is ready before the hype. And if you're wondering how far this can really go. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. It's analysis based on data and research. Always do your own due diligence. Kaspa isn't just undervalued, it's underknown. Let's talk price. At current levels, a conservative 5x would bring cost to around 90 cents. That's realistic with modest adoption and no mania. But if it gains traction, if devs build on top of DAG, if Layer 2s emerge, if institutional miners come in, we're talking $1.80 to $3.50 territory. That's a 10x to 20x move from today's price of around 18 cents. And that's before ETFs, before media coverage, before FOMO. Bitcoin made millionaires. But you're not getting 10x from BTC anymore. This might be your second chance. But only if you recognize what you're looking at before the rest of the market does. This is not financial advice. But don't say you weren't warned. If you missed Bitcoin, don't miss this.